Being a councillor is a tough job, and it's getting harder by the day because they've extended the constituency. I used to just have South Inner City, which was heavy going because it was the area where the biggest amount of deprivation, marginalisation, but also it's where all the regeneration projects failed. So it was trying to get something back in running there, like Teresa's Garden. I'm on Teresa's Gardens, Dolphin House. I was on St Michael's Estate. I'm on Farryman Mansion. So all of those actually take up a lot of your time. I'm most comfortable. It will be difficult for me in the role that I have now because I'm not comfortable in the limelight. I'm not comfortable in the media glare. I was quite happy working in the background, being involved in the community, advocating on behalf of the community. But when this opportunity came, I just felt, first of all, I could use it as a platform to highlight the inequalities in this city because this city is very unequal. Plus, it was important to have a woman in the role because I'm only the 8th female mayor of this city. The first one was Kathleen Daly Clark, who was the wife of Thomas Clark, who was executed, and her brother was Edward Daly, who was executed in 1916. So just following in her footsteps.